And we're live. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is Tuesday, December 18th, 2018. Got the coffee in hand. Got my bag of cookies. Oh, man, I love the holidays. Mm-mm-mm. How about we jump right into the markets here? Moving on to BTC USD on the one-day chart. We have a current price of $3,527. We're moving up. This is our third green candle. The last one straddled the line. We had a bold move going higher. Now, there's two different things I see happening here. One, scenarios that could play out before this candle ends. One is it looks just exactly like this, right? We don't get any movement. And the next candle will actually be the deciding factor on whether or not we go bullish or bearish. Or before we get our new candle, this thing runs out all the way down and straddles the line, and we have more bearish tendencies. So I am wondering how this is going to play out. I think it's this right here. I don't think it's going to go anywhere until we see the new candle for the day. Let's check out indicators. RSI looking great, right? So that's real positive. The volume looks great. The RSI is looking excellent also. Only problem I have with the day chart is this CMF, which is diving. One thing that makes me feel better about Bitcoin, though, is when I move into the 4-hour chart, the CMF seems to have been running up for quite some time. So I'm getting conflicting stories here, and it's not real reliable at this point. But one thing we can count on is volume. The volume is there, and I'm curious if volume is going to run. There we go, another leg higher. So right now it's trying to decide which way to go. And it could run higher. Let's see. So Bitcoin on the day chart is still not a buy. I'm looking for a close on this day, which would be a healthy candle, right? And then we'll probably see some more upside movement. I'm still not in this yet. I'm still waiting for this market to decide what to give me on this candle and what direction the next candle is going to go before diving in. And I'd love to see this bad boy down here turn right around. Okay, so that is BTC. Let's move into let's hit Litecoin, $28.51. It had a bold breakout right ahead of Bitcoin, and it's been kind of pulling back a little bit. It realized it got too far ahead of the pack. I was concerned about that earlier, and it kind of did. So ran a little too far ahead. But overall, Litecoin's looking strong, very positive right now. If you got in earlier, bravo to you. This is kind of a dangerous play right now for me, so I'm not in it. 0x. We are looking at the 1 day on Coinbase. Still not a buy. BAT, not a buy. ZEC coin is not a buy. Tron is still looking good. It's above the 9-day moving average and continuing its uptrend. It did need a little bit of a relief. We've had 3 straight days in a row of looking positive for our upward momentum. So a relief is nice for today. It's just looking good. Just stay in it right now. We don't have anything saying to get out yet, so we're hanging in there. We're hanging tough. Tron looking real good. Here we are at DigiByte. You're welcome if you got in on this. When I was saying this is looking good, it's looking good. I mean, what can I say? This thing is awesome. DigiByte is fantastic. It's going to probably keep going. So hold on to that. We'll see what it does. Also, too, keep in mind DigiByte is very much affected by the Bitcoin market. So whatever the big guy does, this one might do it too. Theta, still not a buy. Proppy still down, but looking a little better right now, but it's not there yet. Here we go on Populous. No. OMG. It's trying, but it's still no. Oh, okay. So here's Pay. Pay's battling. It's trying to decide whether we're gonna dump or if we're gonna keep running higher to possibly the next level. I'm still in it. I haven't had a real sell signal out of this thing yet. It's not. Everything looks positive to me, so I'm not getting out of it yet. Human IQ. Nope. XLM, Stellar Lumens. It looked like it tried a little bit of a relief pump and was going to try to go bullish. Stellar is failing to perform. It's shying away from that 9 days, so stay out of it. XRP. Okay, so the other night I said XRP looks good, get in it, and it's continuing its uptrend. So looking really, really sharp. I like it. Let's check out ADA. Oh, continue in XRP is what I wanted to say. Things are looking good there. ADA, Cardano. You know, if you got your stop sell in, I would put it, right at that line somewhere. In my opinion, if you're in this. This could go higher or it could dump, but you do want to preserve capital. So it's failing to give that real launch that it needs to go higher, but it's not looking bad either. So this is concerning that it's coming down, and it's concerning that this is doing kind of a downtrend for the day chart. But overall, I think that this thing could absolutely run higher if it can turn it around, but it's got to do it soon. Here's Tezos. Tezos still looking good. So yeah, I know I said get in it the other night. So you're still looking good. Keep that stop sell close. MPX Pundy, nope. QLC still looking good. So we're hanging tough on this one. It's getting a little bit of a pullback, but I think you're going to see that till you get a full direction. It's like every other one is, up, down, up, down. So to be expected until we get a nice firm breakout. Aeon, nothing here. Bitcoin Cash, SV, still coming down. Got totally rejected by this 9-day and is coming down. So yeah, we'll see. I'm looking for this to do a death cross here on the RSI and to continue the downtrend in the sell-off. But yeah, we'll see how it turns out tomorrow. Here's Doji. Still no sell signal yet. It's looking good, but I have a funny feeling that we may be getting one soon. This was a wicked little candle or a wick coming up here, wicked wick, and I don't like that. I don't like that at all. But it happens, and we do run higher, get a little recovery, and then boom, run higher again, kind of like something like this, but even more better. But this is kind of what I was thinking of here. This was a definite nice wick and then a pullback. So we have to keep our eye on this. We don't want to get out too late, but we don't want to get out too soon either. So hanging tough on Doge for right now. No sell signal yet. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. Let's leave you back with Bitcoin, BTC, USD, $3,532. The day chart still not a buy. I mean, it's right there. It is right there. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, guys, talk to you guys later. We'll see you probably this evening. See ya.